So actually, one of my cousin brother who has just completed his 12th standard wanted to learn something in tech. So he had asked me like what he can learn to make his future better. So I generally advised him like you can learn web development. It's a very stable career option that you can take. And if you need, you can also learn AI so that you can become an AI engineer. Then he also asked me a few of the resources that he can refer to learn. I suggested him a lot of open source resources that is completely free on YouTube, GitHub, and different books. But as a beginner, he felt like it's a bit overwhelming for him to understand things from all those open source stuff. He wanted something to be in one place, like a complete course. So here is where I came across a platform called tudedude.com. So they offer courses around 699 rupees. So there is an option like if you complete the course, you will get a 100% refund. I suggested him that you can just go through the platform and see once for yourself and decide what you can do. So this video is all about tudedude.com. So basically, this TudeDude platform was started by an IIT alumni. There is some good intention behind this because all of the premium courses that were there were almost priced around 699 only, and they are willing to offer a 100% refund once you complete the entire course and the assignments with it. So let me tell you some of the good things that I found about this platform. So when I went through the platform, I found that there are n number of courses that are available which you will not find in any other resources or any other course platforms, that too at this price point. So there were courses from basic programming languages to all the tech domain stack that is required in the web domain, AI, data science, and more. There are so many. You can just explore the entire website for all the courses. And best part about the platform is like not like other platforms you get only course and certifications. Over here you obviously get the course certification, but above that you get one-to-one mentorship that is really important for any beginner who is getting into the tech domain, because you might get a lot of blockers. So somebody should be there to help you out resolve your queries. So it makes the learning process much more easier and enjoyable rather than pulling out your hair and trying to solve it yourself. It might work for a intermediate person, but as a beginner you might want some hand holding. And you also get the course for lifetime access. So that means whenever you want to come back and refresh the knowledge, you can come here and again look at the videos and assignments that were assigned to you. And talking about the courses, they are just not theoretical. You will get to learn by doing practical stuff. So that means it's a project based learning, and you have to do a lot of projects, and you will also get assignments so that you can get tested upon the skills that you have learned. So the courses are not limited to only one purchase. You can also buy them as a combo packs, or there are so many custom packs available, or you can also create your own custom pack and have more than one courses in your bucket list. So make sure you complete the course and you complete the assignments, then claim the 100% refund amount. So which means you're learning basically for free. So talking about the one-to-one mentorship, these people who have already worked in big tech companies, they wanted to create something impactful. So they are there to help you out during the problem that you face in the courses. And after that, when you try to apply for internships, they will guide you in that as well. So they will help you build your resume, and they'll help you land your first internship by giving the guidance that is required for any beginner out there. And this platform, I also observed that there is a resume builder which you can utilize to make your resume much better and find out the issues that were there in your resume, so that it makes ATS friendly and you are able to get an internship quickly. So let me just walk you through the sign up process. All you got to do is go to tudedude.com, then click on sign up and give all of the details that is required. And once you sign up, you can just go and browse the courses or the course packs that you want. And once you select, you can just pay them. So once you pay that, the courses will be available to you. And make sure you complete the course and complete the assignments so that you can claim the 100% refund. Because there is a stat saying that only 15% of people who purchase online course complete the course in actual. But if you don't complete it, the profit goes to them. Well, this was all about the TubeDude platform. I hope this will help a lot of beginners to learn stuff from scratch. I think this is going to be a great platform out there to help people learn. Thank you for watching.